In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add products to your Wix website step by step. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced user, this guide will walk you through the entire process. So let's get started. First, let's navigate to the Wix setup page. You'll want to ensure you're logged into your Wix account. Once you're on your dashboard, you'll see various options that allow you to customize and manage your website. This is the starting point for adding new products to your online store. Now cast your attention to the navigation panel on the left side of your screen. Hover over the catalog section, but don't click just yet. When you hover over this section, it will expand and reveal additional options. Here, you're going to identify and select store products from the drop-down menu. This action takes you to the section where you can view all the products currently listed in your store. On the store products page, you'll notice a button that says New Product. Go ahead and click on that. It's prominently displayed and usually easy to spot, making it convenient for you to start adding new products. Clicking on this button opens up the product creation page, offering various options for the type of product you can add. You'll want to choose physical product from the options presented. This action allows you to add tangible items that customers can order from your store. By selecting physical product, you're directed to a new page where you'll begin entering the details of your product. Let's start by giving your product a title. A well-crafted product title is crucial as it helps customers find your product and understand what it is at a glance. Ensure your title is clear and descriptive. After the title, you'll see a space where you can upload images. Click on ADD Images to start uploading pictures of your product. Remember, high-quality images can significantly impact your customers' buying decisions. Once your images are set, it's time to edit the product information. This process includes adding a description, specifying dimensions or any other pertinent details that accurately describe your product. Providing comprehensive information here ensures that customers know exactly what they're purchasing, reducing the chances of return. Next up, we modify the pricing information. Carefully set the price for your product, considering both competitiveness and profitability. This section also allows you to include options for discounts or promotional pricing if you wish to attract more buyers. Finally, review all the details you've entered to make sure everything is accurate. Once confirmed, locate and click the Save button. This action ensures that all the product details you've entered are stored and your product is now live on your Wix store. And that's it, you've just added a product to your Wix website. I hope you found this guide helpful and are now ready to add more products with confidence. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out more of our videos for additional tips and tutorials to enhance your online store.